Hello everyone. Today in this video I want to show you how to try to fix my outside AC unit. So what's happening is my fan does not rotate, and that's probably a problem why I don't have a cool air in my house, because Freon, which is here on these pipes, should be cooled off by this fan. Since it doesn't rotate, it doesn't get cooled off. So first, what I'm trying to do right here, we have to open this panel right here. I want to see what kind of capacitor do I have, the model and all that stuff. As soon as I get a model, I want to go ahead and buy the new one at the Home Depot probably. Alright, so also what I forgot to tell you is that this part of the fan, it's the top of the motor. It was super hot this afternoon, so I had to turn it off. And yeah, so, and I watched tons of video on YouTube, and 95% of the problem is probably bad capacitor. So I open the panel, and there is a capacitor right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just get these part number and get a new one and replace it. Alright guys, so I have a new part here. I bought it on Amazon for $16. It's the same thing, same capacitor, just like my old one. So first of all, make sure you disconnect your power supply, just to make sure you're safe. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna unscrew these screws here and pull out that old capacitor. So guys, make sure before you pull out those wires off, you make a picture of this. So you just want to make sure you put those wires back into the same spots on the new capacitor right here. So I reconnected all my wires back to my new capacitor, and we're gonna put it back. It's easy enough to do that. So okay, everything is in place, and I put my breaker back in, and voila, everything is working perfectly, which feels very nice. And I'm going to run it for about 5-10 minutes, see if the house will cool off. So Freon should be getting cold here. Alright guys, so this is a very nice feeling when you're trying to fix something and it really works after. Lots of things you can do yourself in your house. Just watch YouTube videos. Alright guys, have fun, and if you have any questions, let me know.